Hello, again continuing with another problem. A regular hexagon plane 30 side is resting on VP on one of its edges or sides with the surface of the plane making 40 degrees inclination with VP and perpendicular to HP. Draw its projections. Draw its projections. So that is the problem. So now we are going to solve this problem. So first write the data. What is given here? Hexagon, plane figure hexagon. What is the side given? 30 and the surface inclined with with VP is 40 degrees and it is resting on VP and it is resting on its edges. Now first you have to decide whether to draw the true shape in top view or front view. In previous case, that is when the surface is inclined with HP, it was parallel to HP and a true shape we are drawn in the top view. Now in this case here, the plane surface is inclined to VP. Inclined to VP means perpendicular, parallel to VP. Parallel to VP means you are getting true shape in the front view. In front view, we are getting true shape. Okay. So now here it is hexagon and see the second condition. Again, second condition. What is the condition given? So it is resting on its edges or sides. Edges or sides. So edges or sides means one of the side should be perpendicular. So now here hexagon and first let me take the first reference line. First reference line here, one vertical line and matching the line with the hexagon. So here you can see the hexagon. Here you can see already you know how to construct the hexagon. So here you can see 10 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 like that. So match the 30 line. Match the 30 line with the reference line. Then mark the points here. Mark the points on the same line. Same line. Mark the points. After marking the points, join all these points in order. In order. You says now. So join it. So let me use scale. So like this, join all the sides. It is a hexagon. It is a hexagon. Okay. So now you are drawn the hexagon. So now you have to mark the notations for this hexagon. For this hexagon. Now let me take points from here. A, B, C, D, E and F. All the points in the front view should have dash. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Right? Now you have to draw the vertical projections from these points. Before that, draw the reference line. Reference line, that is XY line. XY line like this. Extend it. Because we are going to draw the side view also, just extend it. So now this is the line, reference line X and Y. X and Y. This is the XY line. So now you have to project the points downwards. Downwards. Okay. Right. Downwards. Downward. When you draw this projector, it should exceed, it should not just only touch the reference line, it should exceed minimum 5 mm. 5 mm. Minimum it should be away, minimum 5 mm away from the reference line. Okay. Now this is the required top view. Required top view. Make thick line. Now notations looking from the top. So which are visible? Here for me it is D is visible, C is visible, B is visible, A not visible, F not visible and E not visible. That is assuming that before surface inclined with VP, it was parallel to VP and when the surface of the plane is parallel to VP, true shape is obtained in front view and as the second condition, it is resting on its edges, sides or edges. So we have taken one side as vertical. In that position we have constructed the hexagon, then we have drawn the top view also we have drawn. Now at some point, mark the point. So what is the angle given? 40 degrees. Surface is making an angle of 40 degrees. So using protractor at 40 degrees, mark the point and draw the line. Draw the line like this. Okay. Now using compass, transfer these distances from D to C. D to C here. From D to C. Mark point. Same distance will be there. So mark the point. So here one point, here another point. So now you can mark here point as D1, E1, C1, F1, A1 and B1. Sorry, A1 is in bracket, B1 is open, B1, right. Now you have to draw the vertical projections from these points. So now through D1, vertical projector, thin lines, very very thin lines, okay. Then line, and again a thin line, projectors upwards. Then similarly horizontal projectors. So from C, horizontal projector, from D and B, horizontal projector, from E and A, horizontal projector, from F also, horizontal projector, like this. Okay. So now it should be thin line, but if I draw so thin you cannot see it, so I am making little dark. Now you have to look at the points. D vertical, D horizontal, D1 dash, D1 dash. Then E vertical, E horizontal, E1 dash. Then C vertical, C horizontal, C1 dash. Okay. F vertical, F horizontal, F1 dash. Similarly, A vertical, A horizontal, A1 dash. Then B vertical, B horizontal, B1 dash. Now join all these points in order, that is A dash B dash thick line, then B dash C dash thick line, then C dash and D dash thick line. Okay, then E dash and D dash thick line, F dash E dash thick line, and A dash F dash thick line. Okay, so now you have joined all these points in order. So this is the required final front view and this is the required final top view, right. Now, so here side is perpendicular, you can show the symbol also, right. Now at convenient distance, draw x dash y dash. Convenient distance, draw x dash y dash, like this. This is x dash and y dash. To draw the side view, take the intersection point of xy and x dash y dash as O, and then taking that point as reference line and O as reference point, inclined line at an angle of 45 degrees. Okay. Now join this line, little thin line, very very thin line, right. Now you have to draw the horizontal projectors from the final top view, like this. Horizontal projectors up to the inclined line. You can show the direction also if you want. Then vertical projector from these points, vertical projector, then again vertical projector, right. So now here again horizontal projectors, you have to extend it from the final front view, like this. Final front view, like this. Now you have to locate the points. See, so D horizontal, D vertical, D dash dash. Okay. Then E horizontal, E vertical, E dash dash. C horizontal and horizontal, vertical, then C horizontal, that is C dash dash. Then F horizontal, F vertical, N F horizontal, that is F dash dash. Then again A horizontal, then vertical, then A horizontal, A dash dash. Then B vertical, then B horizontal, you are getting B dash dash. So finally join all these points in order, that is A dash, B dash, A dash, C dash, A dash, and A dash dash, sorry, A dash dash and D dash dash. Then D dash dash and E dash dash. Then F dash dash. Then again A dash dash. Okay, that finishes. So now with this condition, that is, you can see here, I think, regular hexagon plane 30 mm side resting on VP on one of its edges with the surface of the plane making an angle of 40 degrees, right? So this angle is 40 degrees. This angle is 40 degrees, right? And this already you know, this is always 45 degrees. So this is the first assumption: front view, top view, rotating the front view to the given angle, then vertical projectors, then horizontal projectors. Okay, you are getting the final front view. Then again at convenient distance x dash y dash from the intersection point 45 degrees, horizontal projectors from the final top view, then vertical projectors, then again horizontal projectors from the final front view. Finally you are getting the side view also. Okay.